I'm going to do a tutorial on how to use this website. You can search shows by keyword, or you can filter by band, date, or location. The first way, we'll do it by keyword. Type in 1977 and Baltimore, and it will have the shows that were played in 1977 in Baltimore, as we can see here. The next way, we can filter by just which group, and for this we'll do the Grateful Dead, and it will have all the shows played by just the Grateful Dead, not one of his other side projects. And we can keep the Grateful Dead, but say we want to also add another group, the Jerry Garcia Band, and hit the update key with that for just those particular filters, and it will include other that are just Grateful Dead or Jerry Garcia Band shows. Always resetting the filter to make sure you're getting all the results that you want. Another way, you can search by date. For this, we'll do between 1976 and 1985, and it will just bring up those shows between those days of those shows. The last way, you can search for a show by location, and with this we'll do the United States, and we'll do Virginia, and then you can either do not select a city and it'll bring up all the shows that were played in Virginia, or we can narrow it down, just Williamsburg, Virginia, and it will bring up the shows that were played in Williamsburg, Virginia for all the years. Then you can click on a show, gives the set list of that particular show, and you can also then, if you want more information about a particular song, you can click on the song and it will give the lyrics, but also the number of times it was played and the range of time between when it was played. So this is a very user-friendly website. I recommend anyone to take a look at it. Thank you.